So friends, the wrong way viewers read left to right like a sentence. See, 10 minus 10, it will become 0. And then 0 multiplied by 10, it will become 0. Now the last 0 plus 10, it will become 10. So now this is wrong. They completely ignore the priority of multiplication. So how to solve in a right way? Bodmer says first you have to multiply. So there will be 10 multiplied by 10, it's minus 100. Now rewrite the equation. So it becomes 10 minus 100 and then plus 10. Now left to right calculations. So 10 minus 100, it will become minus 90 plus 10. And after plus minus minus and the larger digit sign is negative, so minus 80 is the correct answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.